I've been riding along for about a half hour and hadn't turned any of the cameras on, just enjoying the scenery, solitude, nice cool weather. And then I get these views. So I just had to turn the camera back on. And it's springtime, so that means there are wildflowers everywhere. I've been looking at them, but I haven't stopped yet. Probably tell just how slow I'm going. I'm just kind of putting around here. Just not in the mood to go fast. Just want a nice relaxing ride. Wow, I just had to stop. Look at this. Whoa! Ah, come on. There we go. Whoa, it's heavy. Look at that monster. Yeah, now that is a big pine cone. Oh, it's got sap all over it. Oh. Yeah, there's a bunch of them. I just noticed a road that's heading up this way. So I thought I'd see where it heads. Do a little exploring. I don't think it goes very far, but see where it goes. Oh, I love this grass. Really fine green grass. Look at that. Oh. Not sure where this goes. It's a neat little forest area right here. No! I guess we'll see if we can't find a path around it. Maybe go up. Ah, my gloves are all full of sap. Oh man, I shouldn't have picked up that pine cone. I don't know, could I find a piece of wood to... Ah! Shoot. Oh, don't tell me I ruined my gloves. Because it's time for a new... Ah! Time for a new pair. Oh my god, it's everywhere. Ah, they're sticking together. Ah, rats. I think I can go up. So let's see if we can do that. Yeah, it looks, I see some tracks. Looks like other people have done the same thing. Look at these guys. They're like little trumpets. Wow. They're pretty. Great color. Well, I thought I'd just walk over a little ways here to this grove of trees. Oh my gosh. The ground is so soft. That must be just 1 or 2 feet of just needles. Pine needles. Wow. Yeah, you can see the really nice fine grass here. And then, of course, you got all the trees. Yeah, there's some massive pine cones around here, too. I don't really want to touch it because I already got my glove all messed up, but that's huge. So nice to see this little grass. Nice and green. Oh, sorry, I'm on the other side. I forgot to turn on the camera when I went around, but it was quite easy. And I'm getting the sap everywhere. It's on my gloves. It's getting on all my cameras, all over the grips, everywhere. Something tells me nobody's been down this way for a very, very long time. Oh. Is that it? It's a dead end. Oh. Guess this is kind of a campsite, maybe? Alright, well, I guess we'll just have to turn around. Well, it didn't go very far, but it's kind of neat. Glad I came down. My fingers keep sticking to the clutch lever. That's a weird feeling. Like, let go. Oh, look at that. Look at all those purple flowers. They're like little pods. Yeah, they look like little alien pods. These flowers remind me of something from Dr. Seuss. Yeah, they're all over this little side area here, but they lead into this really big bush with all these flowers. It's pretty amazing. Woo! This is dug out. Hey, water crossing, look at this. Whee! I'm telling you, my fingers keep sticking together because of the sap from that pine cone. It's very distracting. Don't want to go in there. Wow. You got to pick your lines carefully here. You get yourself stuck. Ah, yeah. Woo. This is just amazing. I think I'm going to go up this way this time. See if I can go underneath this tree. Yeah, that huge tree there. It's like when you're kids, it could be a fort. Oh, look at that. That's an old oak tree. Well, I thought about calling this ride an old-fashioned motovlog, but I'm not sure that's going to work because I'm not saying anything. I'm absolutely quiet today. Just don't feel like gabbing, don't feel like talking. Just kind of cruising. Ah, it's just so pretty in here. Yep, you know what I'm stopping for. Wildflowers. Let's go take a look. Wow, these are just spectacular. They're not very big, but they're really interesting. Just a little further down the hill, I found all these yellow flowers. It wouldn't be wildflower season here in California without some poppies. Their colors are just so intense. Just a little bit further and every flower turns purple. Wow, it is so nice around here. I almost hate to leave. All right, our flower break is over. Time to keep heading on and see what we can find. Thank you so much for joining me on my relaxing ride here. You know, sometimes you just want to cruise. Take things easy. It's just what the doctor ordered. As much fun as it is to watch these videos, why don't you get on out there and make your own adventures? The memories you make will last you a lifetime.